So I am opening Valkyrie Dark V2. It has a blue revolve, and he has the black Valkyrie top, and he has the piece L, black Valkyrie, and blue unite. So let's open this. Okay, so once you get it open, you can dump it out, which I did, the 3 pieces. So back here it says his attack is 6 out of 10. His burst chance is 4 out of 10, so that's pretty good, pretty bad. Defense 1, that's horrible. Weight 3, so he has a really high chance of flying in the gutter. Agility 5 and stamina 2. So agility means he's super fast, and stamina, he's horrible at it, basically. So let's put this together. So first you have the top. You can see instead of red blades, they have blue ones, and instead of the blue pieces, they have black. Okay, and then the metal, this is L, and you can see that it's L because of this. Then it has like these jaggy parts, and then these little pieces that are like off. So that's jaggy. And then the unite. Once you wear this down, this black part down, it actually turns into a stamina bottom because of that blue part. Once this black part comes off, that piece is like a defense piece that holds it with stamina. But right now, the black piece is higher than the blue piece, so it hides the blue piece, and the black piece makes it go crazy. Let's hook this together. It has a couple clicks, but this looks sweet. I'll do a couple battles in my other videos, but yeah, that's it for right now. Bye!